This is the Gerber Edge aluminum, model number 31-000664. As you can see, it is a utility knife with an aluminum handle on it. It uses both contractor grade and standard grade utility blades. It's opened with the ambidextrous thumb studs that you just saw me use, and it's got a liner lock built into the handle. It's carried with a pocket clip. Look how easy it was to pull that blade out. It's got what's called a spring lock on it. The ambidextrous thumb studs actually double as a spring lock. Push it down, up comes the spring, and it lets the blade out. I'll find my position on the blade. There we go. The Gerber Edge aluminum, model number 31-000664.